This is the HyFlex alum cart. It is available in ALX50 or ALX100. The only difference between the two, the ALX100 has an auxiliary tank. On the side of the motor, this is the on-off switch to turn the motor on and off. 110 volt plug. This is the volume control. This controls the volume of material. To screw this in will decrease the volume, turn it out to increase the volume. This is the pressure gauge for the system pressure. This is a bypass valve to bypass the extra material to tank. This is the on-off valve for the material flow. There's a quick disconnect for the hose. This is the suction screen. This filters out all the particles before it gets to the pump. This is a ball valve to shut the flow of material off. This is the oil fill level. This also serves as a breather for the gearbox. Underneath the tank is a drain valve. This is a 110 volt power cord. And this is the on-off switch for the mixer motor.